A romantic dinner at the best restaurant. My name is Emma, and tonight is a very special night. I have been looking forward to this dinner all week. It's not just an ordinary dinner, it's a romantic evening at one of the most elegant restaurants in the city. As the sun set, I carefully chose my outfit for the evening. After trying on several dresses, I finally decided on a stunning red dress that made me feel both confident and beautiful. I styled my hair into soft waves, applied light makeup, and finished with my favorite perfume, a delicate floral scent that always made me feel special. As I stepped out of the taxi in front of the restaurant, I took a deep breath. The entrance was decorated with fairy lights, casting a warm glow on the elegant doorway. Through the large glass windows, I could see couples and families enjoying their meals, the golden lighting making everything look cozy and inviting the moment I walked in. A polite and well-dressed waiter greeted me with a warm smile. "Good evening, miss. Do you have a reservation?" he asked in a gentle voice. "Yes. My name is Emma," I replied. "Ah, yes. Your table is ready. Please follow me." He led me through the restaurant, past tables with flickering candles and elegant floral centerpieces. The soft sound of a jazz piano playing in the background made the atmosphere even more romantic. The waiter guided me to a beautiful table near the window, offering a breathtaking view of the city lights. I sat down, feeling a wave of excitement. The soft music, the warm ambiance, and the elegant setting, it was all perfect. A few minutes later, my date arrived. He looked handsome in a navy blue suit, his eyes lighting up when he saw me. "You look absolutely stunning," he said as he took his seat across from me. "Thank you. You look great too," I replied with a smile. The waiter returned with the menu, and we spent a few moments choosing our dishes. Everything sounded delicious, but I finally decided to start with a fresh seafood salad, while my date chose a creamy mushroom soup. "Would you like something to drink?" the waiter asked politely. "A glass of red wine, please," I said, and my date ordered the same. As we waited for our appetizers, we clinked glasses and toasted to a wonderful evening. The wine was smooth and rich, adding a touch of elegance to the night. When the appetizers arrived, they looked absolutely mouthwatering. My seafood salad was colorful and fresh, with shrimp, avocado, cherry tomatoes, and a tangy lemon dressing. The mushroom soup smelled wonderful, creamy, and comforting. "This is delicious," I said after taking my first bite. "I agree," my date replied, savoring his soup. We chatted about our week, sharing stories and laughter. The conversation flowed naturally, making me feel completely at ease for the main course. I ordered grilled salmon with garlic butter sauce, served with mashed potatoes and steamed vegetables. My date chose a juicy steak with pepper sauce and crispy fries. When the dishes arrived, they looked like something from a gourmet magazine. The salmon was perfectly cooked, with a golden, crispy skin and a tender, flaky center. The garlic butter sauce melted over it, filling the air with a mouth-watering aroma. My date's steak looked just as delicious, sizzling on the plate with a rich, flavorful sauce. Each bite was pure heaven. "This is one of the best meals I've ever had," I said, closing my eyes for a moment to enjoy the flavors. "I'm glad we chose this place. Everything is perfect," he replied, taking another bite of his steak. As we enjoyed our food, we talked about our favorite travel destinations, our dreams for the future, and funny childhood memories. The atmosphere of the restaurant made everything feel even more special. The waiter checked in from time to time, making sure we had everything we needed without interrupting our conversation. His professionalism added to the excellent dining experience. After finishing our main courses, we decided to order dessert. I couldn't resist choosing a slice of rich chocolate cake with vanilla ice cream, while my date opted for a classic crème brûlée. When the desserts arrived, they looked like works of art. My chocolate cake was soft and moist, with layers of creamy chocolate frosting. The vanilla ice cream melted slightly on top, making it even more irresistible. My date's crème brûlée had a perfectly caramelized top, cracking slightly as he tapped his spoon against it. As we enjoyed our sweet treats, I looked around the restaurant and took a deep breath. The night was truly perfect: delicious food, a romantic atmosphere, and wonderful company. After finishing our meal, we stepped outside for a short walk. The night air was cool and refreshing, and the city lights twinkled like stars. "This was an amazing evening," I said, slipping my hand into his. "It really was. I had a great time," he replied, squeezing my hand gently. We strolled along the quiet streets, talking and laughing. I felt a warm happiness in my heart, knowing that this night would be a beautiful memory for both of us. And with that, our romantic dinner came to a beautiful end, one filled with laughter, love, and the promise of many more magical nights to come.